Okay, let's quickly see how we can loop over an object. So I'm just going to clean this up so I can loop this comfortably. Now to loop an array is to loop an object is very simple. We covered loop in the previous tutorial. If you're here to watch it, just go ahead and listen to the video and watch the video. You would have. So we're going to use the simple for in loop. Yeah. And so it's a very simple one. So I'm going to go ahead and so what are we trying to say? We are saying for I. Now, you can use any value. You notice I'm always using I, so I can use X, I can use Z, I can use Y. So you can actually define anything. So I'm going to go ahead and use Z. So I want to document write each property. Okay, so I'm going to change this. So what we are saying is for variable Z in person, loop around it and display. So I'm going to delete this. Let's go ahead and see how simple. Oop, we have an issue. So what happened? This is supposed to be document. And so debugger, hold on, let me see the console. So it threw up an error. So I'm going to go ahead and preview this. Okay, so here we are. So we actually looped. I'm going to put this side by side. So the first value, you just loop the values, and you can use any loop you are very comfortable with. But this is how easy it is to loop over an object. And so in the next part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this value, how to set a value, and how to delete the value of an object. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.